So, guys, I'm in a hurry. I'll keep the analysis short, guys. We had this big bullish move, guys. We don't have structure near, so guys, we're going to use this structure, guys. As long as we have profit 1.35834, guys, you're bullish. We already at the profit taking area, guys. If you're in a buy, take your profit, get out early, and we look for a good entry again at London lunch before not don't enter buy at London close, guys. So, anyways, guys, my second target would be 1.36614. Guys, if the price breaks below 1.35638, guys, we will be going for 1.35371. Guys, my next target will be 1.35140. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair and see you guys tomorrow.